Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to set up your PAYG tax. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we'll just open up our Agrimaster file. And once it's open, we'll go to the tax setup screen. So setup and tools, cash book setup, tax. And to set up your PAYG tax, you'll need to go into setup tax deducted. So first we just need to select our start month. This is the date from which you want your tax deducted reports to be calculated. It will automatically default to the date you started your file. Below we just need to select the months we report our PAYG tax. So 3 for quarterly, 1 for monthly, and so on. So Agrimaster uses allocations to calculate your wages tax correctly on the BAS. You'll need to create 3 new allocations if you don't have them already, and you can do this through the Add or Edit allocation list. So the first allocation will be used to record gross taxable wages paid to employees. So I'm just going to select wages gross. The next allocation used is going to record tax deducted from employees' wages. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to use wages tax deducted. And finally, we're going to use an allocation to record tax remitted to the tax office. So for this, I'm just going to use wages tax remitted. And the recommended names for these allocations can be seen here in bold. So now we just need to set up the PAYG codes. So the first code is going to record tax deducted from employees' wages. So for this, I'm just going to select wages tax deducted. And the next code is going to record the gross wages. So I'm just going to choose wages and salaries. You'll notice these codes are here too. Finally, we just need to check the activate box. And this is just going to ensure that the wages tax calculator is active. So now we can back out. And we've successfully set up our PAYG tax. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.